Lord Shiva is one of the important and loved deities for all of us across the world. He is known by many names such as Mahadev, Rudra, Shambhu, Mahesha, Nataraja, and so on. The term Nataraja means the king of dancers. There are 19 different avatars of Shiva. Nataraj is not an avatar but Lord Shiva himself as the divine dancer. The cosmic dance of Shiva is called Tandava. It symbolizes the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction, as well as the daily rhythm of birth and death. The Nataraj form is an extraordinary iconographic representation of rich and diverse cultural heritage of India. It was developed in southern India by 9th and 10th century artists during Chola period in a series of beautiful bronze sculptures. Nataraj became the supreme Hindu art. The sculpture represents Shiva as a creator, preserver, and destroyer. The Damaru that Shiva holds on the upper right hand signifies the first sound of creation, the heartbeat of universe. The divine fire on upper left hand signifies Holocaust, that is destruction. Front right hand is an Abhaya Mudra that calms all the fear. The front left hand is in Gajahasta pose, which means salvation and liberation. The right foot is planted on the ground on the figure Apasmara Purusha, who represents illusion and ignorance. A snake is twisted around the arm of Shiva, which symbolizes the Kundalini power, which resides in the human spine in dormant stage. If aroused, one can attain true consciousness. Nataraja is surrounded by a nimbus of glowing light, which symbolizes the vast, unending cycle of time. ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲೆಯ ಆದಿದೈವ ನಟರಾಜ ಪತಿಸತಿಯ ಅರ್ಧಾಂಗಿ ಎಂದ ಅರ್ಧನಾರೀಶ್ವರ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ನೀಡಿದ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೂ ಶಿವ ಆಯಸ್ಸು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಕಲ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.